This video shows how to use Nimbus. Nimbus is a screen recording Chrome app that you can get from the Chrome Web Store. So in order to find it, you click on the apps in Chrome, click on the apps option in the top left, which will take you to the Chrome, give you access to the Chrome Store. So you can click on the Chrome Store. Once that opens up, you can type in Nimbus in the search bar, Nimbus. And Nimbus will come up. I already have it added to Chrome, so you can see that I don't have the option to add it again, but if you don't have it, you can click Add to Chrome, and it will get added to Chrome. Once it's added, you'll notice that you have a little N in your toolbar. So the N is the Nimbus extension, and it has lots of features. So you can do a screenshot. So you can capture the visible part of the screen, a fragment of the screen, a selected area. Just as a quick note, if you are using Windows 10, a shortcut to doing a selected area without Nimbus, but just on your own, if you ever wanted to do a screenshot, Windows Shift and S at the same time will allow you to draw a box around what you want to take a screenshot of, automatically post it to the clipboard, and then you can paste it where you need it. Unrelated to Nimbus, but interesting nonetheless. I like the select and scroll. Selected and scroll basically allows you to capture more than what you can see on your screen. So if you had a website, for instance, that was longer than the entire screen, you could scroll down to the appropriate spot and just capture that part. Or you can capture the entire page. So if you have a web page that is, again, longer than the screen, it will actually capture the whole thing. Delayed screen is gives you a few seconds to kind of get rid of stuff and hide things. Again, these are all just screenshots, so just still photos. What we're really interested in here, though, is the record video. So to record video, we click on that. You have two options. You can record just a single tab in your browser. So here I have a couple of tabs open. We can record just a single tab, or we can record the entire desktop. So if you wanted to show everything on your desktop, you can do that. If we click on the tab, we have the option of recording the mic sound, obviously, but we can also record the sounds that are made inside the tab. So if there are any sounds or noises in the tab, they would get recorded. And you can record your webcam as well, which will give you an image in the top left-hand corner of your screen that you will be able to see sort of picture-in-picture style. I'm not going to do that right now because I'm currently recording a video of a video. So I am going to record this tab. I'll start recording. You can tell that you've started the recording because the little N here on your toolbar for the Nimbus extension turns red. When you would like to stop that recording, you click here, and mine is having a hard time because I've already got a video on the go. But basically what will happen is you'll click here and you'll have the option to either pause your video or stop your video. If you pause your video, you can grab some more windows or whatever and pop them in here and then start recording again right where you left off. When you are finished, you're going to click end recording. And when you do that, you will get an option. In fact, you will see a screen that looks like this. So this is your video. You can play it and make sure you're happy with it. And probably the easiest thing to do from here is to save that video. If you wanted to send it to Google or to YouTube, you do have to pay for Nimbus. This version here is free, and it allows you to save the video. So if I click on Save Video here, it will give me a dialog box. I can save that to wherever I like, click Save, and then from there I can upload it to YouTube or Google Drive or wherever. If you're not happy with your video at this point, you could just close this tab and go back and start recording your video again. So that's how you can use Nimbus to do some screen recording. I hope you found it useful.